Good morning, everyone. Myself, Jaeng Gailiu Rongmei. I study in class 5. Today, I would like to highlight some points on heritage. So, what is heritage? As I have learned from my studies in school, heritage means the things that have been passed down from our ancestors. Heritage includes culture, traditions, historical buildings, languages, dance, and music forms, etc. Now, heritage is of two types, natural heritage and cultural heritage. Our natural heritage consists of the environment that surrounds us. It includes birds, plants, etc., and other natural features found in our country, whereas our cultural heritage included the architecture, place of worship, inscription, dance, music, etc. We Rongmei Naga, we also have our heritage, the Phubon Cave at Phubon Ching, also known as Phubon Hills in Assam. Hypothetical Iranic Gaidinli visited these numerous times to see blessings of Rongmei Bonshu, the society of Phubon Ching. Also, Rongmei Naga villages historically exist in Phubon Ching ancient times. Thank you.